Yeah, it's a little overgrown. Going straight, or do we go left? I wouldn't mind going left. Alright, forward and onward. Spiking along with Fire Rabbit here. Now you're seeing this really cool tree. Absolutely just littered in vines. Right from the bottom all the way up to the top. A little home on the inside. And these vines are just everywhere. Hey guys, so try number 3. We found a base camp. Yeah, it's pretty well in the Sherwood Forest area that we described in the last couple videos. We like it. It's close to the water, but it's shaded and covered with trees. Alrighty guys, got my hammock and my tarp set up. Not looking too bad. 3 out of 4 corners I had trees for, so it's actually pretty easy. Just this one where I had to put the stake in the ground down here, and I had to prop it up with a stick. But other than that, I think I got home for the night. Fire Rabbit's rig. And his fancy tarp that he just got in the mail not too long ago. I just wanted to come out here and sit by the water for a little bit. Take 5. I just set up my hammock and my tarp there. And just wanted to take 5 before it's time to get dinner going. It's already 5 o'clock, so it's going to happen pretty quick. Yeah, we got some wood. It's just kicking around, so we can use it, chop it up. Hey guys, so we were trekking along, Fire Rabbit and I, and he's wearing his sandals. I was quite jealous of him, because I'm still wearing my my hiking boots and socks, so it's pretty warm for my feet, but it's not too bad. But he had his sandals and everything, and I was pretty jealous of it, but I didn't say anything. And we get out here, start trekking a little bit, and Fire Rabbit accidentally trips a little bit, and he breaks one of his sandals. Poor guy. So he's been walking barefoot for like the past 2 hours, and we've covered some distance. Like, we've looked at 2 different sites, and we finally just decided to say, screw it, this is the spot. We just wanted a home for the night. I feel so bad for the guy. I wish that I had a pair of shoes that I could lend him. But he's quite earthy, so he's quite okay with it. And it's pretty cool. This rock has a belly button. Just a few rocks for the good old fire pit. I just finished chopping wood, chopping kindling, making the fire pit, setting up my hammock and my tarp. Pretty well got base camp all set. I think it's time to relax a little bit. This is feeling too good. It's probably only around 5:30 or so, and I'm pretty tired. But yeah, still need to get dinner on the go and get a fire started for that. This stick is bothering me. Yeah, just a bunch of actually dried roots that I found in the riverbed over there, and a bunch of really dried leaves just stuffed in the middle. I also have my shavings that I just made from the cedar that we found, and also firerabbit hooked me up with some char cloth. That'll definitely help get my fire going, the old-fashioned way at least. We'll see how it goes. Like, yeah, I hope everybody loves my sock tan.
It's horrendous.
I just wanted to show you guys. I'm going barefoot. I'm joining Justin. We're just enjoying this nice, soft, luxurious sand.
He's earthing, folks. Earthing.
I'm loving it. I have to admit, I am loving it.
Ground and center.
See you in a bit, folks.
Oh, wow.
Nothing fancy tonight. Just a couple of burritos, chicken and rice. It should be pretty good, I think. I hope, at least. Firerabbit and his propane cook stove. Look at him in all his fancy gear.
Okay. I don't want to get sued, so I'm going to do another tape where the mountain house doesn't fall, and I don't say stuff about it.
Try this again. I brought something different this time. I have never brought it before. And I've had it for quite a while. I don't know why, because it weighs nothing. It takes up minimal room. I just put it at the bottom of my bag. But it's an ass pad. This thing's gonna save my life tonight. I think these guys are ready. Made myself a seat. And a little surprise for later. There's Fire Rabbit's dehydrated chili, Mountain House brand, I do believe. Just poured the water in there. Gotta let it sit for a little while, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see what's inside the bag.
Tree right in front of me right here. Okay. Dead.
Surprise. Cherry strudels. Can't wait to dig into these. I'll take the squish one that was on top.
Reminds me of Hamburger Helper.
Oh, that's cool. Chili that tastes like Hamburger Helper.
Well, because it's got the beef in there.
Oh, okay.
And there's actually a significant amount.
Sweet.
Good job, Mountain House. I like your style.
Hey guys. Me and Fire Rabbit, we were just talking, and I just realized that this place is a prime location for a base camp, and it's so thick with trees. You can just walk right in, and no one can see you. Fire Rabbit just disappeared. He's just right there. Oh yeah. Just got Fire Rabbit to brew up some water, or boil it up, so I can make some coffee. Just instant Maxwell. You know, it's alright. But the water is so hot, it actually made my handles piping hot. So gotta let it cool down. But I got a nice view. Alright guys, we're packing it in. It was a great day. See you in the morning. Morning guys. Well, I slept in. That doesn't happen too often. 9 o'clock. That's pretty nice actually, to know that I actually got some decent sleep.
I was up at 3 o'clock in the morning though. There were kids partying on the beach, hooting and hollering. That was unpleasant, but whatever. I used to be one of those kids. But yeah, great sleep. Slept like a baby. The pillow, my ass cushion, it works actually pretty good.
Morning, guys. Finally made it out of bed. Fire Rabbit let me brew up some coffee on his little propane stove again. And oh, the second batch of coffee is way better. Way better than yesterday. It's a beautiful morning. A little bit overcast, a little bit of a breeze, but it's not even cold. Like it is definitely summertime. It's going to be a beautiful day. Sticking around for a while. I still got some lunch and whatnot to cook up. Just some more burritos, nothing special or to surprise you guys with, but yeah, I'll be hanging out for a little while. Well, the rain's starting to come down.
Yeah.
Just out of nowhere. But you know, it's cloudy. Kind of looked like it was going to do something like that, but it's not too bad. Just brewing up a second pot of coffee. Well, it is definitely done. That was quick. Justin's little setup. That took probably less than a minute. Time to get some lunch going. Hey guys. Oh, it's just down to one now. Fire Rabbit just took off. I'm letting the fire die out. Don't really need it anymore. Just had some lunch. My 2 burritos. Excellent, of course. I feel nourished. I'm not full, but good enough for the rest of the day until I get home. I'm just gonna hang out and enjoy the nature just a little bit longer. I normally take off in the morning and don't really enjoy the second day, but this time around I'm just gonna hang out. All packed up and ready to go. It's nice that the weather is actually just warming up. Should be a nice ride. safe and sound. But the ride back was a little difficult. The seat kept on doing that, and literally that was a pain in the rear. But I'm home.